Unyaka ka-2020 ibingunyaka onzima ngakumbi kubafundi bematriki. Izifundo ziye zaphazamiseka ngenxa yokumiswa ngxi kwentshukumo kweli. Abafundi abaninzi kuya kwanyanzeleka ukuba babe ngamakheswa nanjengoko abazali babo bathe busuleleka intsholongwane ye-corona. Abanye baphulukene nootishala babo ngenxa yalo bhubhane. Kodwa nangona kunjalo bawagqithile amajingi nkqewu bazigqiba izifundo zabo.
What I did differently was to take it day by day, because we all know the pandemic was very hard on all of us and we shouldn't get crushed by it or anything. So to take it step by step, day by day, focus on the next goal and not as a whole.
It was a lot of hard work. I went through many past year papers and exam type questions, and I just worked on my own for most of the lockdown. So I tried to go through most of my syllabus on my own, and then after that I tried to walk through the past year papers.
I started by praying before I start my studies, while I'm studying, and also when I'm done studying. I invited the Lord in everything. And secondly, hard work. That is it.
I saw the lockdown and COVID-19 thing as a disadvantage, but I took it to my advantage.
Isebe lezemfundo ke aluvala umlomo kweliphondo.
We are quite excited, really quite excited about the percentage we've got. 2020 class of matric is really a class of steel. It will go down to history as the most resilient class since democracy. It performed exceptionally well against all odds. We all know that 2020 was the most disrupted year where they lost so much time of teaching and learning.
Ngalentsasa eliphondo belibambe umsitho wokubhengeza ngokusesikweni abafundi abathe baphuma emagqabini kwizifundo zabo.